If you've been thinking about how to get to the next level, I want you to be still. I want you to be still, quiet the chatter in your head, put your blinders on, and stop looking at everyone else and listen into your inner being. A lot of times, guys, we start to second guess ourselves because we're putting all the power into someone else. You have all the answers. And as a business therapist and mindset coach, that's literally what I do, is help you to build the courage and confidence to lean into your own voice, your own thoughts, your own mind, your own wisdom, your own intuition. No one knows more than you about what your next step is, about how you can make an impact. Now, I'm not saying you don't need a coach, you don't need a therapist, you don't need someone, who can kind of be that neutral party to help you bounce ideas. That's different. What I'm saying is you have everything that you need to take the next step to assess who you need, okay? So listen, if you're not registered for Confidence Camp, September 9th and 10th, here in Atlanta, Georgia, right up here at Pop Up and Create at my multi-purpose content creation studio, click the link in my bio, get registered, or go to MissWestCreativeCoach.com/Confidence Camp. I'll see you there.